Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to be talking about 87 named Diovannie. Them kill him recently. Dunkirk. The way it come out of the news, people are coming on social media. It's a tragic case, he was fleeing the community trying to escape the acidity, 87, time catch up on him. I'm going to use him case for showing but me always talk about and what I will continue to talk about. That's it. At the same 87 them. I do the damage and I get damaged. And then you sprinkle that in with them family members and them friends who get killed under the you can't catch squawk, you catch him shot. That's the high murders there. Minority 87 is committing majority of murders. And they either bust case back a road, kill again, or get killed. Before I go into that, for a patron birthday shout out, this one goes out to Dr. Gel. I don't know, nickname thing. And let me know say, for the birthday, ocean front settings, I watch the water splash up, Superstar Life, Dr. Gel. Enjoy the view, but careful because the sea stay already, Mother Nature on a ramp. So just when you see the water splash up, keep an eye on it cause next thing you look, you on the villa wash way. Dr. Gel, big up yourself. Big up your family. Let me say, I don't know already say. You enjoy the earth strong. So, more life. And big up, see? Patron squad, big up on yourself. Diovannie. Come out of the news. Men get killed while fleeing in Dunkirk. The public never really know how to go on. So they start react to them saying the news. And people are saying, why it's so sad. See the man them see the violence for go on and try to get it from it and look how them the man didn't come from. The murder took place on November 8th. Diovannie and his uncle, a yellow man, they pack up the truck. And they put on the things on the truck, they left the place. The family take with themselves. Car load a man pull up on them, be a gunshot. And yes, the car pull up on them right as they pack up the truck. How very coincidental. Obviously somebody run the program on them. 87s always have them spies. I tell them I go on, I write them and move now. I write him growing so I write him now on black shirt, look him about my wear a clocks and when we have one look orange spot on the side so right. It's extremely difficult for murders to happen without some kind of spy. 87 rarely set off on a journey without having some kind of source on the ground where I tell them what to do. It's extremely risky. They will just pull up in that Dunkirk and just hope so you catch the somebody where I look for. Just so happen to be sitting on the corner when you pass. Either somebody I tell them or them drive past and make sure to them see them circle back come kill. 87s really rely upon chance. Anybody who plan any kind of operation, everything about it, don't want to rely upon chance. Car pull up, Diovannie and him uncle, yellow man, try run. Man them shot up one, run down the next one, shot him up. As they're going back past the first man, they go back on the vehicle, them shut up down there again, because you know as I go. And the man then dead, then just fool him up a shot. Because that's like a joke on the corner. Full up the boy a shot dog, me empty the clip on the boy dog. All the time she say boy dead, me just fire about 10 more than face dog. Man on the corner hear that, they laugh and skin teeth. Carry that an eagle eye, jump, like it a play, pole vault in Olympics. Interestingly exactly 1 year before, the uncle get shot up with some other man. Same November 8th, 1 year before. And the same November 8th is the uncle's mother's birthday, who is deceased. So that's a spooky date. For yellow man and he may up come dead upon it. Very interesting. 1 year after man then come back. See on the news, 7 brothers, 6 dead and 1 gone to Bellevue. 7 brothers with, you know that saying, 7 brothers, 7 different minds? 7 brothers, 6 dead and 1. And they make the Bellevue. We don't know what kind of cloud that hang over Yellow Man family, but that is extraordinary. Diovannie was no ordinary citizen fleeing no violence causing tired anymore. Diovannie did well at a road. Was an 87 himself. And if you look on your screen, you will see. Diovannie did bust off a case where people say he couldn't bust off. Pull up on a man, empty, like the magazine. The man survived. Now they shot them the lick. Vital organ. Full up the man a shot. When that time could the witness come testify. Trial day. No witness. Back on the street celebrating. All the time. And them try kill him. And I say that you play hot in the streets like that. People are going to kill him. End up kill all him other relative. Couldn't catch him till them was killed. All I don't have to do for silence me with this argument is make the JCF or the crime experts or whoever, you can silence me easy with this argument. Show us how many people killed in Jamaica every year were either out on bail, had prior convictions, or at least charges. Because we know the conviction I go hard to get. How many people killed in Ironman every year were out on bail, had prior charges, so them get charged for murder and bust the case, or them get some kind of prior conviction? Show us that number. There was an island where they released for them one. I don't remember if it's Bahamas or Barbados. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to look up it again. But an island they released for them figures, and it was something like 2/3, but it was an extraordinarily high number. Basically, the vast majority of the murders, that the whole island, was man with either they on bail or money get charged or money get convicted. And the same thing. In the armor. And the same man them go jail, come back a road, kill again, go jail, come back, dead. Then them bridging retaliate. This is how the murders spike. Because now somebody got dead back to Diovannie. So you have 10 people. Let's say there are only 10 87s, 5 on one gang and 5 on the next. One man kill one out of the next from the next side. Get charged. He come back a road. The man from the next side kill him back. Or him come back a road and kill the next man from the next side. Or a man here saying go to jail so they can't catch him. So they go kill him granny. Or them kill him brother. Or man no retaliate for that now, so then go back go try kill him, then they find him, so then hold him father and kill him. This is how murders work. It's a minority of man that settle them score over and over. Right. Your experts argument that it's socio-economic, but tell already, so that's ludicrous. If it was socio-economic issues, Jamaica would not be top 5, top 10, or even top 20 on the highest murder rate in the world. This image you want to push, this narrative you want to push that Ironman is one of the most poverty-stricken and destitute islands or destitute countries in the whole world is utter nonsense. It is a false narrative. Jamaica is nowhere near one of the poorest countries in the world. It's just because every day people say the same thing, so it sounds like the truth. Jamaica's life harder than everybody else. It's not true. Ironman is not Sudan. We don't even have to go abroad. We can stay in Ironman and look at the parishes that are most peaceful and most violent. If it was socio-economic and lack of opportunities and lack of investments and lack of development, and Portland would have up there beside a South St. Andrew in the murder chance. That's an easy, convenient argument for your leaders and entertainers because it helps them to dodge not just accountability and things where them complicit, because them can argue them born comes to poverty. So you can't be nothing to do with me. So if for the poverty I cause it, I'm a born comes to poverty, then what can I do? I'm just doing my best. Gives them a way out. So Diovannie, 87. Go on a bag of things. Man, come kill him. Now somebody got dead back with him. Somebody dead back with him. Somebody dead back with she. And then can't catch she. So then go kill 3 our brother them. So then people say that now retaliate, kill back the granny. If 3 million people were locked in an all-out battle, right, for scarce resources, causing them to murder each other at an extraordinary rate, Iron Man wouldn't have 1,400 murders. It would have 140,000. It's a lazy, simpleton argument. Failure for this man to the gangs, failure to take man off of the road, means that them settle the scores in the streets. And when them settle it in the streets, there is retaliation. Somebody off the dead back is not a socio-economic concept, Mr. Expert. It's a cultural attitude. If you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short has nothing to do with poverty or socio-economics. It is a cultural attitude, Mr. Expert. If every country in the world adopted that mindset, then every country in the world would have an extraordinarily high murder rate. But in most countries, a murder happen, police come in, investigate, right, and them lock up the man, in go prison, right, and then like that. If everybody was to retaliate for the murders that will happen in Germany and UK and China and all these places, then for them 50 murders would turn 500 and 500 turn 5,000. But they come say they're going to start, so them are the expert. Give them one next $48 billion for social intervention, so them can take it, right, and build one basketball hoop, right, and then take the rest of the money give them friend. Matter of fact, don't use the money. Right. Develop Iron Man, improve Iron Man's drainage system. I'm post a video up on Patreon with how the road them look. Let me say I go around how the road them look from the rainfall. But tell them to say, them rainfall and them earthquake right. If I start to do Iron Man, when the serious one then come, right, the Agnam Irish supper. Let me tell you, so they can't find $1 million for fix on the road, but they can find $40 billion, $4 billion a year for social intervention programs that have failed. And them continuously find their money there, but they can't find the money to fix drainage systems and everything there. It's amazing how a government works. Government find money for everything that they want to do and can't find everything for them to do. But phone leaders them. So go and defend them to the death until the water come and wash them away. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.